Okay, boys. Okay, boys and girls. So the '07 Ford, she left us walking again. We had the tow truck as the tow truck in front of the house. Had to get it towed home. It turned out to be a disaster. Here we are looking in the cylinders because before she died on the side of the road, she just was driving maybe 30 miles an hour and the thing just died. Here's the crankshaft position sensor. It should give you a sense of where the heck this video is going. So I kind of got a feeling of what the heck was going on. It made a strange sound before the engine just died on the side of the road. It strikes again. The oil chain guide mounts broke. This is the oil pump and balance shaft assembly. Got disintegrated. This was what the noise was. Was all the bearing surfaces all banged up. They were all chewed up. Ordered a new one. Said, let me cut my losses and go look for new cars on Craigslist. I almost got robbed. I'm not even going to deal with that. All right, take the engine out. Here it is. It's out of the car. We're taking it out. My money's better spent on something I know is good. Here we go. We take it out. I'm going to go mess with it. Crankshaft position sensor reluctor ring is missing a tooth.
It's not working. That's impossible. Oh, I guess.
Just got to hold it straight.
There's so much dirt coming out of them.
That's okay. Uh-oh.
What's that?
What's that? Don't get that one. That's just the tensioner cover. We're taking the whole sucker off.
I'm chewing my hair.
Don't chew your hair.
I'm not trying. Whoever screwed these things in made them very tight.
So we changed a few other parts. I changed that thermostat housing. It's all one piece on the Hondas. I changed the water pump there. A few other things. Dropped the motor back in. Bolted it together. Cut and dry, really. And once I plugged the relay for the fuel pump in, it fired right up. Now over here, I want to show you something. That's a vacuum. That's a vacuum switch that operates the front motor mount. That's 12 volts. Directly underneath it is the water temperature sensor, which operates off of 5 volts. The connectors fit each other. If you get those crossed, you will blow up your temperature sensor. They're like $30. Get a good one. Plop it back in. You'll know it when your dashboard goes to full hot. It's like it's overheating. To diagnose all this, I call this the lunch box. But this is that Launch X431 Pro Dyno. It was not a cheap item, but it does absolutely everything I need it to do. It gave me sensors, the sensor input, outputs. It's bi-directional. I'm not advertising it. That's the original water pump that's on it. And then I think we'll go. Oh, there it is. There's that crankshaft reluctor ring. just broke the tab off. Once everything started banging around in there, it broke the tab off. Oh well. Got a new one on eBay. New one of those new, what are they called? Oil pump and balance shaft assemblies. Not new. Used from a junkyard in Ohio. But yeah, they shipped it to my house in 2 days. So that was good. There's the original crankshaft position sensor. That thing took a hit. It's all banged up on the tip. So we're not going to use that. I got a new one from AutoZone, and the thing was giving me some funky readings. I hate those Duralast electrical parts, man. They're all made in China. They're shit. So let's go out there and start the car. Let's go see what she sounds like. After like 1,500 miles, I think I need to lash the valves again. I'm not positive. It doesn't say it in my book, but it's starting to get a little loud. You'll hear it when she starts up. So yeah, I guess that's like the end of a saga.